Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Poly B piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
All right, Corey. So, what's on the table for this week's Poly B segment?
Well,
Wait, you guys, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please. Let's hear it.
Is Poly B piping still available to buy?
Yeah. Good question.
Well, no. Polybutyl piping is not still available to buy. But if you want to come dumpster dive in my bins, you can find all the polybutyl piping that you want. With multiple offices across Canada, with Saskatoon, Edmonton, Vancouver, Calgary, where I've got a lot of spare Poly B if you want it. But no, Poly B piping is not available to buy anymore.
Thanks for the question. Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.